right, guys, check it out. Tim Kuniskis is back. I am so happy. Even though he's not coming back to Dodge, he is coming back over Ram. And you got to realize that Tim groomed Matt to take that position. But now that Tim is back, you know Ram is finna be the rock star of Mopar. Everything that Tim touched, he just makes it better. He gets it. He understands it. He knows what the people want, and he knows how to deliver it. Just having him back there, he's going to influence a lot of different divisions and a lot of different people. Everybody's going to be leaning on him to see what Tim thinks about it. So even though he's not directly with Dodge, I feel like Tim Kuniskis coming back to Ram is not only going to lift Ram where I feel like they should be, but it's also going to help Dodge as well. Tim is the rebel. Tim is the guy that thinks outside the box. What do I think that means for Ram? First of all, Ram is going to be bold again. Ram is going to step up. Tim is going to make the baddest, the most robust, the most heaviest duty, and the most powerful Ram that there ever was. And he's going to do it in such a way that it's going to make everybody stop and take notice. I mean, when the Hellcat first came out, think about it, guys. Nobody was making Hellcat power. And it just shut everybody down. Everybody stopped what they was doing. Forget all these other brands. Forget all these other cars. You better go get a Hellcat. And when you thought the Hellcat couldn't go further, then he came with the Demon. And from the Demon, he broke off into the Redeyes. I mean, everything he did. And the last thing that he did was he slapped everybody in the face with the Demon 170. Now that he's over at Ram, I wonder what he's going to do with the hybrid. From my understanding, Ram is supposed to have a hybrid truck. Could you imagine a hybrid truck that's running the Hellcat engine in it? Imagine a hybrid truck that was half battery and half 6.2 Hemi engine. Good. Wow, that's a beast. See, Tim is the type of guy that could pull something like that off. Like, I was watching a deal with China, and they got this SUV, and it has a gas engine in it, but the gas engine charges the battery. And because the gas engine charges the battery, imagine the Hellcat engine with EV. I mean, everybody would stop what they're doing. No other trucks would be looked at. To me, that's the type of fire and energy that a Tim Kuniskis brings in. You might as well just sit back, get your popcorn, and get ready for Tim Kuniskis. Okay, so let's just look at the stuff that Tim Kuniskis did with Dodge. First of all, he brought the Hellcat to market. The Hellcat was like unheard of. 707 horsepower, loud, in-your-face supercharger. And not only did he bring it in with a Challenger, then he brought it to a Charger. Then from that, Tim Kuniskis brought in the Demon. The Demon was amazing. I still think the original Demon is one of the most amazing vehicles that was ever put out because his vision came true. He had a car with 808 horsepower that came with a crate. So it had this Demon crate. You added these items onto the car from the Demon crate, and the car went to 840. So you could put the race PCM in there, which would allow you to run 101 octane race fuel. So you got the Demon crate. It came with tools. It came with a jack. It came with an impact wrench. It came with a torque wrench. It came with sockets. It came with an air pressure gauge. I mean, it came with everything you needed. They even had drag skinnies on the car. No other car has done that. It even came with a different air filter. That's why I'm saying this guy is a rock star. And when Tim left, it was just a blow to the heart. Guys, I really didn't even talk about it. I got to be honest with you. It was a big downer for me because this was a CEO that knew you by name. If you saw him, he would say, "Hey, Herman, what's going on? How are things going with Demonology?" I mean, this guy cares about his car, about his brand, and about what the people are doing that support the brand. This guy really made the brotherhood the real brotherhood. Before Tim Kuniskis left, he stepped into the EV territory. One of the EVs that he talked about was the Banshee. That's going to be the fast one. The other EVs that he talked about was the Daytona SRT EV. Guys, I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. I'm actually going out through the 12th and the 15th, and I'm gonna be reviewing the Daytona. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion, but I'm gonna tell you this. Tim Kuniskis had a lot to do with that vehicle, and if he had something to do with it, it's gonna be a banger. That it's gonna do something that other EVs can't do. That he's gonna bring the muscle to the EV world. When you have a rock star like Tim Kuniskis leaves, it kind of deflates everything. I'm not going to even talk about, Carlos Tavares. I don't know what that dude was tripping on, but sometimes, man, you just run into people that they just, they can't get over themselves. And the very person that's trying to make things great, they try to get rid of. I'm glad Tim Kuniskis back, because he going to make Dodge great again. He definitely gonna make Ram great again. Y'all get mad at me if you want to, but I'm gonna tell it like it T.I. is. Tim Kuniskis is back, and I'm happy about it. You know what we doing, baby. Snatching souls. We out. Peace. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.